everyone. Today we're going to be working on our letter sounds. We need to keep practicing just like we were doing when we were in school. Okay, so here we go. A is for apple. B is for bed. C is for cat. D is for duck. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for guitar. H is for hat. I is for iguana. J is for jam. K is for key. L is for leaves. M is for monkey. N is for nines. Nines. O is for octopus. P is for paint. Q is for quilt. R is for ring. S is for socks. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for vase. W is for watch. X is for X-ray. And Y is for yo-yo. And the last one is zebra. Very good job. That's it for today, and we'll come back tomorrow and we'll do some other letter sounds. Keep practicing. Show your mommy and daddy that you're a smarty.